Play with Amy and Bella, the Amy Sanchez channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So I have Ainsley here and Cece's asleep in the other room, but I thought I would just go ahead and wake her up and get her bottle. Ainsley, it's time to get up. Come on, baby girl. You got the hiccups? Oh, I know, you're hungry. Here, let's get you and your little sister all fed. All right, Ainsley, let's get your little bib on and get you all fed. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we have her little bottle here. So here you go. Oh, she's got the hiccups. Aw, do you not want it? Here. So we're just gonna get her fed. Let's put baby Ainsley in her little walker while we get Sissy up and fed. Yeah. Oh, here, let's take the bib off. There we go. Look. And look at your new flower. Have some fun. Look who's already up, you guys. Little Cece's in her bed. Are you ready for some food? She's sucking her binky. Yeah, here, let's go get you a fed. Oh, she's sleepy. All right, come on. Let's get you in your little bouncer. There we go. Can I take that, please? Oh, she's... Aw, you want your bottle? Oh, she's really sleepy this morning. Here, have your bottle. Oh, she doesn't want it. Can you just try it? Oh, I think I need to put a bib on her really fast. Here we go. I have this little pink bib here, and it's got a banana, an apple, and a carrot on it. We're just gonna get that on her. There we go. Now can you try some of your bottle? Good girl. Oh, she's got the hiccups too. Well, don't drink too fast. Oh, I think it's time to burp her. There we go. Well, she finished her whole bottle. So can you get your bib off? There we go. She finished her entire bottle. So we're just gonna get her in her little play mat. Come on. So she's just playing in her little play mat. Sissy's over here with her little walker. It's her little flower. And she was getting kind of fussy, so I decided to put her little binky in. So we're just gonna let them play for a little while. Alright, well I think I'm gonna let you guys go. They're all fed now and they're just playing around a little bit. So I think we're going to let you guys go here. So thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Keep watching for more of our videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.